Were you scared? I get it. It's such an interesting concept that so often, and this happened to me recently, I reached out to somebody and we started having a conversation, and they mentioned that they were watching some of my videos, and I said, great, I guess that means that you're gonna start making some videos yourself. And she replied, I'm scared. And then when I asked her why she was scared, she didn't respond. Now, this is so interesting because I do hear this often, that people say that they're scared to post video content, all right? And there's really two main reasons that somebody would be scared to post video content. So the first thing is really just worrying about the judgment of others. And I get that. I mean, I was so scared when I first got started. I've done a lot of personal development work to really just not care so much about what people think. And that's been really helpful. Again, because the greatest people, the people that have achieved the most success, the Tony Robbins of the world, they were willing to do stuff that they knew that they were going to get judged for. They were willing to stand out. And so my question to you is, do you want to be a leader? Do you want to be someone who stands out? Do you want to be the person that was willing to step out and be a little scared and just be willing to overcome that fear, because you don't worry so much about what other people think of you, because you know at the end of the day that you're an amazing individual and you have value and insight to share with the people, and that people are going to listen. All right. And I know it's like, oh, well, am I pretty enough? Do I look good enough? Do I have hair sticking out? Or, what if I'm not smart enough? I used to worry about that so much. I've had done work so much myself in getting more educated. And I always had this feeling that I was dumb. I had to go to summer school, just so I could go to 6th grade, because I was a terrible reader. All right, so I get that. I get that fear of not feeling like you're smart enough. But what's been amazing is that when I was willing to step into the light, amazing things started to happen. And the thing too, so number 2 in being scared of video, it comes down to confidence. Oh, I'm not confident enough. But here's the thing, we're not confident in things that we've never done before, right? You're like, oh, well, I've never done that before, so of course I'm not good at it. So it's the same thing like when you're riding a bike. It's no different from that. If you want to get better, then you got to put in the work. I'm going to cue a video right now, all right? This is a video that I did back when I was working for the company Hurricane Marketing Enterprises, and I made this video about social media. Oh my gosh, it is so terrible in my mind. It is absolutely horrible. But the thing is, if you're not embarrassed by your first videos that you've made, then you haven't made enough videos. And the reason why a lot of times people see me and they're like, man, but you're so good on video. But the proof in this video is that I wasn't always good. It comes with practice. So let's check it out. Today, we're talking about the 10 reasons why you must have a Facebook page for your home care business. Number 1, exposure. Exposure. Okay, because you never know who you're going to see or who's going to see you. Number 2, building relationships. Become friends with your contacts. It's a great way to make personal connection when you see what's going on in their life. Number 9, mobile ready. The vast majority of Facebook users are on their phone. Horrible, I know, right? I mean, the phone effect was totally off. It was terrible, and I had to use clips from me speaking at events because I couldn't form enough sentences in a row that made it work without, it would have just been so much cuts. So just a funny thing, but it's important that I share that because, again, I've put in the work. I started going live every single day. I've been doing that now for almost 4 or 5 years, all right? The days just keep adding up for when I started that. But that's how I was able to get in the reps. I started getting better and better and better by just doing it and doing it and doing it. And so that's how you can get started too. It's just going live, even just practicing without posting it. In order for us to build confidence, we need to start doing it more so that we can feel confident, all right? So if you take the time to just practice, just like you practice anything else, you're gonna get so much better at it. And what's so cool is that I've gotten so much positive feedback about how much better I've gotten. A lot of times when I go to speaking events, people tell me that they've saw me at the first time I spoke to now, Every time that I go speak at a new event, I'm better than I was the last time. And the videos just progressively get better and better. So it's not that people were like, man, you were so bad when you first started. It's like, no, look how much better you've gotten. So the more that we kind of look at it from that, let people see our growth, let us get better, it's gonna help us to overcome that fear, all right? It's time for us to step into the light. It's time for us to overcome that fear. Step into your greatness, become the best version of yourself. We don't wanna be like, oh man, I wish I was courageous enough. I wish. You have everything you need to show up, be an expert in this industry, and truly make a difference and show up in your business. And in turn, help your bottom line to drive more traffic to your business, to have a bigger presence online when you're willing to step on camera and be present. All right, so go make it happen. Hit that record, practice, 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 make more videos. The more you do it, the better you will become. Want to generate more leads online? Check out my brand new free ebook, Home Care Leads, so you can get started today.